Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Tahir Mahmood Qureshi. I did PhD from the Norwegian University of Life Sciences, Norway in 2012. I am serving as an assistant professor at the Department of Food Sciences, Cholistan University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Bahawalpur, Pakistan. The title of my presentation is Enhancement of Quality of Dairy Products. Here is the layout of my presentation. First of all, I would like to explain how to enhance the quality of dairy products, then some quality test of dairy products concerning physicochemical characteristics and antioxidant potential. Then I would like to explain some published literature concerning quality characteristics of dairy products and finally conclude. Quality test can be performed under physicochemical characteristics. We can do determination of moisture, pH, acidity, protein, fat, ash, and sensory evaluation can also be done concerning flavor, taste, color, texture, and other properties. Antioxidant potential assays can also be performed to check the functional quality of dairy products. In this aspect, we can do total phenolic contents and total flavonoid contents determination. We can also perform radical scavenging activity and ferric reducing antioxidant power. How to enhance the quality of dairy products through value addition? First is to make unadulterated dairy products. Then by adding specialized ingredients, especially fruits, spices, herbs, their extracts, addition of probiotics. Removal of fat from milk or standardization is a kind of value addition by employing different processing methods, like for instance, pasteurization, ultrasonication, microwave processing, and why we do such kind of value addition. The first is to enhance organoleptic properties, to make functional foods with more health benefits, to extend the shelf life of the products, and in this way greater economic gain for industry or dairy farmers may happen. Enhancement of quality can be done through making unadulterated dairy products, like for example pasteurized flavored milk, yogurt, dahi, cheese, paneer, ice cream, frozen dessert, sweets. Different kind of bioactive peptides can be liberated or produced through ripening, fermentation, digestion of dairy products. Basically, casein and whey protein, they are present in the dairy products. These cause liberation of bioactive peptides, and these bioactive peptides, they would have nutritional benefits or some physiological activities over our body concerning antioxidant activity, antihypertensive activity, immunomodulatory activity, antimicrobial activity, and physiological responses concerning nervous system, metabolic health, and bone health. Free radicals are produced under these different circumstances, like, for example, stress, irradiations, ingestion of toxic substances, body's metabolism, inflammation, and most importantly, due to the oxidation of fats and oils, more and more free radicals can be expected in the fried products and in the bakery products due to intensive heating. And these free radicals, they would have some bad reactions and bad responses over our body concerning cellular or tissue damage, cancer, aging, heart disease, and neuro disorders. But if we have antioxidants through our diet and also synthetic antioxidants which are present in the processed food, then in this way we can inhibit the reactions of these free radicals over the body, and in this way we can be avoided by the cancer, heart diseases, or aging processes. Here is one publication concerning physicochemical characteristics and antioxidant potential of colostrum, and it was observed that In the start of milking after parturition, after giving birth of the animal, it was observed that the colostrum has more and more solids, not fat, protein, fats, and ash. But after each subsequent milking, after parturition, then these contents they were gradually decreased after each milking. It means after 5 or 6 days, mature milk would come. You can see here is the results of antioxidant potential. And we observed that the values concerning total antioxidant activity, total phenolic contents, reducing power, and DPPH radical activity. These values they were very high in the start after parturition in the colostrum, and but after each subsequent milking, these values were decreased gradually. Here is one publication concerning paneer incorporated with spices. The main emphasis to incorporate spices was to increase the organoleptic properties and antioxidant potential. You can see in this slide in the figure above, black pepper, cumin, clove, nigella, cardamom, and cinnamon. Their extracts would have more and more total phenolic content, total flavonoid content, and reducing power. And if we add spices into the paneer matrix, and we also observed that the spices, paneer having spices into their matrix, they would have more and more total phenolic, total flavonoid, and reducing power as compared to control paneer having no spices. Here is another publication concerning paneer incorporated with date fruit paste, and it was observed that sensorial quality was also increased. It means that consumers liked such kind of paneer having date fruit paste, and functional properties were also increased. And you can see in the results total phenolic contents, total flavonoid contents, reducing power, and radical scavenging activities. Their values were very high in those paneer having date fruit paste as compared to control paneer. Here is another publication concerning dahi with date fruit paste, and we observed that antioxidant activity and sensorial quality they were increased due to the incorporation of date fruit paste into the. In the first publication, it was observed that if we do in vitro digestion of processed cheddar cheese, then we expected more and more antioxidant activity. And in the second publication, we observed that if we do sonication, microwave processing, and high pressure processing of milk for the cheddar cheese formation, then antioxidant activity was also increased. Here in the first publication, we observed that if we apply peel oil as coating material on the cheddar cheese surfaces, then shelf stability and antioxidant potential were increased. And in the second publication, we observed that shelf stability of rasmalai was increased due to the addition of different preservatives under permissible limits. In conclusion, we can say nutritional quality of dairy products can be enhanced through value addition by the incorporation of extract, juices, paste from fruits into dairy products. And these value added dairy products may have more consumption due to enhanced sensorial quality. Finally, value added dairy products would be good for the longevity of the people. Thank you so much for your kind attention.